Hey guys, Calvin here from techgenie.webs.com, and welcome to another unboxing video. Now today I had a surprise package in the mail. Yeah, it didn't have any return address. I don't know who it's from, but let's see what we got. So the first up, I have this A4Tech iSecure Fit metallic earphones. Noise cancelling, sound isolating in-ear design. Features secure fit design, lightweight earbud, and sound isolating. So let's go ahead and open it up. Just got that. There. Oh, should just, there we go. Hate these packages. There. So here are the earphones. There you go. It's really nice. Wow, you can even hear it. It's metal. If you can hear it. Wow, it's really nice. It comes mostly metallic materials, very durable. Comes with this case, I think, for the earphones. Wow, it's a pretty big case too. What else does it come with? Well, it comes with some extra, whatever you call them, soft sleeves, right? These things right here. Wow, pretty cool. Thanks to whoever sent me these. And let's put that to the side. Second off is some iPod Touch cases. Immerse from Griffin Technologies. Please check out their website. It's a great website. They have great products. 3 silicone cases, black I think, white and blue, for the iPod Touch 2nd Gen. That's basically it. So I kind of checked before the video how to open these, and I think you open it like that, right? Ah, there. Just pull that. There we go. Okay, so here's the first one. It's just like your average silicone case. Yeah, there's some plastic right there. Yeah, so, hey guys, sorry about that. My computer actually cut off the videoing while I was playing. Yeah, so I just went on with the unboxing and everything. I actually found a manual for the earphones, so I'll just, put that to the side. Yeah, so this time I'll keep an eye on the camera. So yeah, let's try to put on my iPod in one of these suckers. Guess it goes like that. Really simple. Like that. Yeah, there you go. So it's a perfect fit. Like, let's see, ow. Yeah, the spot for the rockers are a bit off, but other than that, it's pretty good. Here. So I have to do this pretty quick because remember there's a 10-minute limit. So yeah, the last one are these headsets. It's a LabTech online gaming, music listening, voice and video chat, speech recognition headset. It's a gaming headset. Goes behind the head. Yeah, the microphone is a micro NCAT2, which is noise cancelling amplification technology, so that's pretty good. Guess I'll use these for my videos now. Okay, so for the video I just got an entry point on opening up the package. There we go. Wow, looks nice. Like, wow, honestly, really? Wow, whoever sent me these, thank you so much. Really? Wow. Like, Oops, that just fell, but I don't care. Wow, so lightweight, like long cord, perfect for my videos. Really? Thank you, whoever sent me this. Wow, like, wow, that's just great. Yeah, so yeah, I might do a giveaway on one of these. I don't know yet, because a couple of people requested that I know requested me for one of these. Yeah, don't forget to check out my website, techgenie.webs.com. Yeah, thanks for watching. Whoever sent me this, thank you so much if you are watching this. Yeah, if you sent me this, please just send me. I really want to send you something back. This is over 20 bucks already for free. Wow. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go clean this up and have a great day. See ya.